Hey everybody, it's Emery again with Ultra Sabers, and I just wanted to take some time today to give you guys some information on our battery configuration option. I know there's several different options here now, and I just wanted to make a video to give some clarity on each of the different choices. The first and most major choice is choosing between a lithium-ion battery setup, which is what you see here, and a standard setup. The basis what this is standard setup can be used on our Sabers without sound, and with standard setup your Saber would operate on 4 AAA batteries, and you just change these batteries out here. You can put in regular batteries when they die, or you can get yourself some rechargeable NIM AAA batteries for use with standard setup. So that's how standard setup works. It's available on Sabers without sound, and it works on regular AAA batteries. The lithium ion setup, we provide 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, and your Saber will run on lithium-ion batteries instead of regular batteries. Now, just to clarify, alert, lithium-ion batteries are not the same as lithium batteries that you buy from Walgreens or Walmart. Those do not provide enough voltage, nor are they rechargeable. If you put lithium batteries into one of our chargers, they will explode. Not might, they will explode. There's a warning on lithium and alkaline batteries saying not to charge them. They will explode because they will explode. So just a note, lithium batteries are not the same as lithium ion batteries. So our lithium ion battery setup, we will provide lithium ion batteries with that. So that's the difference between standard setup and lithium ion setup. Another choice that you guys have is with the charger. We provide a Trustfire charger, which is what's here, and we also have our VP1 charger, which is what's here. The VP1 charger is superior because you get to choose which current you want to send to your batteries. I don't know how clear you guys can see this here on the camera, but there's a choice here that lets you choose between sending 1/4 of an amp, 1/2 of an amp, and a full amp to your batteries. Now again, alert for all users, alert. 0.25 amps is the ideal charging current for our batteries. If you're going to leave your batteries here for an extended period, days, weeks, months, just put it on 0.25 amps, and that will trickle charge your batteries for as much as you need. Now, if you need your batteries charged quickly, if you got something coming up, you need your batteries charged quickly, the 0.5 and a 1 amp are useful then. Do not leave your batteries charging for days on end at the 1 amp. You're overcharging your batteries and you could harm them. These chargers do have a protection circuitry in them. They are supposed to stop charging at 4.2 amps, or 4.2 volts, I'm sorry. But you just don't want to risk it. Just, if you're going to charge your battery for an extended period of time, always charge at 0.25. That is the charging current on the Trustfire charger. So there's no selection on this one here. It always charges at the lowest possible current. With the VP1, on the other hand, you have a choice. So if you need your batteries charged fast, the 1 amp is going to charge your batteries extremely quickly. But again, it's not ideal for extended periods. If you're going to be storing your batteries, put it on 0.25 and leave them here. The other benefit of a VP1 charger is that it lets you know what current your batteries are at. I mean, what voltage your batteries are at, I'm sorry. So, for example, if you have a dead battery, let me find one here. I think I have a dead battery cell here. If you put it into the VP1 charger, nothing's going to come up here. Whereas if we put in working battery, it's going to pop up a voltage. So, you guys can see here, let me get you a look. It's dead battery cell, nothing. Charging battery, we got a voltage over there. And the Trustfire charger, it's really hard to tell what's going on here as far as this is the dead cell, which stays green. You might think this is a charged battery. It's really hard to tell what's going on this charger here. Red means that the battery is charging. So, it's just one more benefit with the VP1 charger is if you want to know if you have a problem battery or not, it'll let you know right off the bat because it's not going to give you any information. This battery is fully dead at this point. A third benefit of the VP1 charger is that eventually, if your battery hasn't been damaged badly enough, that blank screen will start to charge, which means it's reactivated the battery. So a lot of times the VP1 charger can actually reactivate a fully dead cell, whereas you don't have that with the Trustfire battery, so Trustfire charger. So again, both of these chargers are going to do a great job of actually charging your batteries, which is what a charger does. But if you wanted some of the extra perks, you wanted the change the current that you send to your battery. You want the voltage readout. You want to be able to reactivate a dead cell. That's what the VP1 charger is for, and that's why it costs a little bit more. It's because it has a few more perks. But again, for charging your batteries with the lithium-ion setup, you just remove them from the battery pack, put them in your charger. That's going to charge your batteries. Now, the final choice that you guys have with the battery configuration is choosing between a buck puck, which is what you see here, and a resistor. Now, these are going to be in your saber. This isn't really something you guys are going to have be visible or be able to play with, but here's your resistor here, and here's your buck puck. This is what we're going to use to regulate the current to the LED. Now, the buck puck is going to be the more ideal choice, but they're both going to get the job done. These both will, you're not going to be able to see very much brightness difference with either. So brightness isn't really a determining factor when choosing between a buck puck or a resistor, but the buck puck is more efficient. It's going to burn your batteries a little bit more efficiently. It's going to create less heat, because that's what resistors do when they're regulating the current. They just burn it off as heat, whereas the buck puck is going to regulate the voltage a little bit more ideally. So again, buck puck resistor. There's a couple benefits. We have a thread on the forums that discusses the benefits of the two. But again, as far as brightness is concerned, which is usually the primary concern with our customers, we wouldn't use a resistor if it was going to make your lightsabers dim. Ultra Sabers doesn't sell dim lightsabers, so you don't have any worries when you're picking between the two. But again, the buck puck is going to be the more ideal choice because it regulates the current a little bit more efficiently than a resistor, which just burns it off as heat. So there you guys go. You have standard setup, lithium-ion setup. You have the choice between the Trustfire charger and the VP1 charger. And you have buck puck or resistor. I have a couple choices here with the battery configuration. I will say, I'm going to go back to the charger thing. There's a choice for no charger. Do not use a charger that you buy from Walgreens or Walmart that charges regular batteries for your lithium-ion batteries. If you don't already have a charger from Ultra Sabers, then get one, because you don't want to use the incorrect charger with your batteries. It's just not worth it to save a couple bucks. Get yourself a charger. Get yourself more than one charger. They're not that expensive, and it's useful to have more than one. But only choose the no charger option if you already have a charger from Ultra Sabers for lithium-ion batteries. We have that there for our repeat customers to save them a couple bucks on their battery configuration. But if you don't already have a charger, please don't shortcut. Get yourself a charger so you can charge your batteries properly. Again, if you guys have any questions, send us an email at info@ultrasabers.com. You guys know I'm around 24/7 to help you guys with your sabers with your questions. There you guys have it. There's info on our battery configurations. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.